Welcome to Gresham Toyota, where reliability meets value. With an exceptional selection of over 400 vehicles, we offer a range of trusted Toyota models, including fuel-efficient hybrids and capable trucks built for both everyday comfort and rugged performance. You can find us at 950 Northeast Hogan Drive, conveniently located just minutes from I-84 and a short drive from downtown Portland. Our state-of-the-art service center is fully equipped to maintain and repair all Toyota models, including hybrid and electric options like the Prius and RAV4 Hybrid. We provide express services such as oil changes, multi-point inspections, tire rotations, and more. Enjoy the convenience of complimentary loaner vehicles with your service appointment, or relax in our upscale guest lounge featuring Wi-Fi, refreshments, and a premium customer experience. As advocates for animal welfare, we're proud to be pet-friendly and always welcome leashed pets. Shop with confidence thanks to our Swickard price promise on all new vehicles and our service match guarantee, ensuring you receive our most competitive offers. Experience the difference, experience something new at Gresham Toyota.